So in this video, I'll show you how you can connect Porkbun domain to Vercel. So this is very simple. And the first step you need to do is you want to open project in Vercel, which you want to connect your domain to. So let's say I'm going to choose this sandbox site, and you want to click on those three dots next to the project, then settings. And from here, you want to click on domains on the left side. Now from here, you can see this is your basic domain, so default one. And to add your custom domain, you want to click on add domain. And from here, now we need to go to Porkbun and copy your domain. So from your domain management, you want to copy your domain and then paste it here. Then you can check also this like redirect me. So you can check this, it's recommended, and then just click save. Domain added to project. Now we need to configure our DNS records. So you will see on those two records invalid configuration. So you want to click on learn more on each one. And this is very simple. You just need to add this record and this record to your Porkbun. The type is A, and this is the value. So you want to copy this value, go to Porkbun and hover your mouse on your domain like this, and you will see this small DNS icon. So this DNS icon, so click on it. And from here, you just need to add those two records. So the first one was A record, and this was the value. So just make sure to paste the value here. But before that, you want to delete existing records. So if you scroll all the way down, you will see your current records, and you want to delete your A record and also CNAME records. You can delete all your records to make sure it's going to work. And now you can add this record. So if you scroll, you will see this is the first record. Now the second one is this one. So the type is CNAME, name is www, and this is the value. So you want to copy the value, type choose CNAME, and this host is name. So basically type www, and in the value paste the value which you copied, then click add. And if you scroll, you can see those two records. Now go back to Vercel and click on refresh. So as you can see, the first record has been successfully connected and it's showing this check mark. Now we can try the second one, and the second one is also connected. So this means our domain has been successfully connected, and this is how you can connect your Porkbun domain to Vercel. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.